Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make Microsoft Edge your default browser in Windows 10. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you want to do is just go ahead and open up Microsoft Edge if it's not already open, and select the Settings and More button at the top right corner of the browser screen, this three-dotted icon. So go ahead and left click on that and select Settings. Select the default browser on the left side, and then where it says Microsoft Edge is already your default browser or make Microsoft Edge your default browser, you want to go ahead and select the make default button. It's already my default browser, so I don't have the option to change that, but otherwise you would change that there. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.